Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to set up multi-streaming on Omlet Arcade. As of June 30, 2023, the Omlet Arcade servers have closed, rendering streaming and account creation impossible. However, in the event of a reopening, the following outline has to set up multi-streaming on Omlet Arcade. Well, to multi-streaming on Omlet Arcade, here's what you're going to do. Download and install the Omlet Arcade app from the respective app store on your mobile device. If the servers are open, create an account on Omlet Arcade. Sign in using your credentials. Then link your Omlet Arcade account with streaming platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming. Navigate to the settings and connect your accounts. Launch the Omlet Arcade app, then select the plus button to create a new streaming. And choose the multi-stream option. Add the desired streaming platform. Configure stream settings such as title, descriptions, and privacy options. You can also enable features like facecam and overlays. Once configured, start your multi-stream by hitting the Go Live button. Your content will simultaneously broadcast on the linked platforms. And that's how to set up multi-streaming on Omlet Arcade. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.